head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn.
So I have some errands to do today. I'm going to meet Kayla and Jeremy. This is the only time that I will be going out with my friends. Hindi kami nagkita ng holidays and the past few weeks ng January. So today, I'm going to use this perfume from Versions by B. This is the version of Omnia Amethyste. I really love this one. Taalis na ako kasi late na. Yeah. Bye! Si Jeremy! Ayan na naman siya after long months. So si Fem!
Panalo siya sa cuisine. Anong quality yan? Anong paint?
Simple na daw. Bigas team, mama! Sinong dumalang, ma'am?
To the place, dispatch you from a race. My heart, it started racing. Crowd across the way, flowers on your face, and then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Oh, sudden gaze and time is starting racing. Mom is in the
Oh, sige, twirl ka nga!
to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
So here's what my parcel looks like, and meron siyang instruction manual here where andyan yung instruction about the products that I got. Ayan na yung products that I got from Vibe PH. So as you can see, merong bleach powder. Ito na yung bleach Don't Kill My Vibe. So I believe this is 120 grams. Yes, and then it comes with 2 developers. Each bottle contains 120 ml, which is nice. And this is my first time trying out the hybrid colors bleach and dye. They also included this freebie. This is the protective gloves. And then I have the hybrid colors Magickal hair dye in bloody red. I believe bloody red yung shade nito eh. Brilliant red. Oh my gosh. My bad. So, I got the Magickal hair dye in brilliant red. Hindi pala siya bloody red. Lunch. Let's eat lunch, shall we?
Oh, Gardos. Ulog dito.
Leia!
Usually cry at all. Why is it always close? Ranging from movie scenes to many people in my dreams. The last time if I recall was a feeling of being alone. I don't know where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to
Hi, Sir Ethan!
I really miss the shade.
Hi!
Just take it slow. I'll wait to find out better here to call again. For now I will feel the ocean through. And I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense